Hello everyone. Welcome to our review of this fantastic digital camera, a highly rated choice for both budding and seasoned photographers. If you're on the lookout for a camera that combines quality, ease of use, and value, you're in the right place. Don't forget, you can find this camera through our Amazon affiliate link in the video description. Let's talk about quality first. Users are thrilled with the stunning photos this camera produces, even with the stock lens. It boasts decent image quality, making it an excellent choice for capturing everything from everyday moments to special events. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this camera is designed to meet your photography needs. Ease of use is a standout feature of this camera. Beginners will love the user-friendly interface, which makes it simple to navigate through various settings and options. Even if you're new to photography, you'll find this camera intuitive and straightforward to use, enabling you to focus more on capturing great shots rather than fiddling with complex settings. When it comes to value, this camera is a clear winner. Priced reasonably, it offers a range of features that are usually found in more expensive models. From its remote capture capability to easy smartphone integration, it's a great investment for those who want quality without the hefty price tag. In conclusion, this digital camera is a superb choice for anyone looking to step into the world of photography or upgrade their existing gear. Offering a blend of quality, ease of use, and value, it's a camera that won't disappoint. Ready to capture your world in stunning detail? Click the link in our video description to purchase this camera on Amazon and start your photography journey today.